Now we're getting divine intervention. It's one reason they wanted to keep us out of the sun for the last 3 years, keep us separated. They know exactly what time it is, and they're doing everything they can to keep us from stepping up to that. What I had to say about not sitting in judgment of one another is very significant in this process, because that's the tool they're using against us, divide and conquer. That has always been their tool. So what they're doing is fanning the flames of, we're going to give favoritism to the black people, so the white people get mad. We're going to give favoritism to the straight people, so the gays will get mad. They're showing favoritism to each group in order to inflame another group, you see. What the opposite of that in the spiritual domain is about the not blending energy, learning how to harmonize energy. Everybody's bringing a unique flavor to this new creative rulership. So we don't sit in judgment of one another. We learn to harmonize with each other, like I always do with the hand. You have your little finger, your ring finger, your middle finger, your index, your thumb, your back of your hand, your palm, your nails. All these are unique components that come together to make a hand. Everybody has a unique role and contribution to the whole. The one and all and the all in one. It's time to harmonize energy, not blend energy. We can't all blend into one mindset about what's right or what's wrong. Okay? Everybody has their own unique right to what it is that they personally choose, as their reality. So it's not for us to sit in judgment of that. That's another reason Aquarius. Aquarius is the sign of uniqueness. So everybody has a unique purpose. So that's between each individual and their spirit, and how high they can tap into that universal royal energy if it's based in righteousness. Judgment is reserved only for the offense of an abuse of power. And the more innocent the victim, the more egregious the sin. Remember that, you guys. Judgment is reserved only for the offense of an abuse of power. And the more innocent the victim, the more egregious the sin. The universe is identifying new rulers, but that doesn't mean everyone else is being left out of the process. It's just a new humanitarian rulership that is opening up, that is going to vibrate the real trickle-down theory. Because it's evolutionary process. It's going to take everything up. Okay? As we get a new, higher rulership, it's going to evolve the energy vibration, so everybody has to come up to a new level in their vibration based on the spiritual principles of righteousness.